our friend Eliberto. He's
April Fool's Day.
Giovanni's brother. Yep, it's April Fool's Day today, and here we are. We're going to go do some repairs on Eliberto's ulu. It's got lots and lots of water coming in, so we've got lots of conch to sell, and he has lobsters to sell today. And we gave him some goodies, and we're sinking. As we're going, I probably have ankle-deep water in the ulu, so, yeah. Corte agua, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm.
He's also having to tow all this water.
Hmm?
He's also having to tow all this water in here, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's muy wind.
How old is this cayuca?
This cayuca that we're in, it's actually an ulu, is 30 years old. Made from
30.
one tree.
One tree.
Fantastic. Ooh, we're gonna hit the ground. Whee! Here we go, Bill. Get ready. Oh, beautiful.
Joanne. Fix this
Ulu.
ulu, and he's got really bad holes here. And we brought just a little bit of supplies that we have. We don't have a whole bunch to fix, but
He's already done the repair, and it's lots of water coming out.
and I've got some plastic.
Okay, I'm here, Bill.
Plastic and some nails and some copper that we used to use for a single sideband ground wire, and maybe
And Eliberto is cleaning all the sand off to get it all nice.
okay, we're putting some rubber over the hole, and we don't want to have the nail go all the way through where he catches it on his foot, but this log is probably 1.5 inches thick, so we still got lots and lots of wood. But the idea is just to pretty much slow the leak. It's not going to, what do you call it, stop it totally, because we can't seal that. If we had bought some tar, cold tar, that would have been really smart to bring here, because cold tar you can apply on a wet hull and then do this, and it'll seal up the hole like immediately. So we didn't know, but next time.
Okay, see.
Viene Taniki.
Taniki. It means he's coming.
Sí, Taniki.
Mm-hmm.
Otro se va. Nade.
He's going.
Nade.
Nade en Kuna.
En Kuna, nade. Se
Nade.
fue. En
Excellent.
español, se fue.
Se fue.
Ajá.
Ah, perfecto. Gracias, Eliberto.
did a wetsuit material here. These are koozies, which are like wetsuit material, and this is from a bicycle tire. We cut that up so that will cover up the hole. Now we're just stitching copper around the perimeter of it, and hopefully the water will come in a lot less. It's not going to be watertight, but it'll be less water.
Dreams that you did.